Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be doing unboxing of Watch Storm from the brand Boat. So now let's get quickly started. This is a fitness smartwatch. The name is Watch Storm and it is from the brand Boat. It comes in various colors, but I'll be doing unboxing of this watch which comes in grey color. You can see the product image here and it says Smart Got Good Looking. So this is how the brand wants to promote the watch. Now there are some amazing features that I mentioned on the box. Let me quickly read all the features. It has a 3.3 centimeter, that is 1.3 inches. Full touch display. It also has this blood oxygen monitor. You can also check your heart rate 24/7 with this watch. Plus you also get this metal body casing. That means the watch is more durable. On the sides also you can see the Boat branding. Now with this watch you can also personalize watch faces. Plus you can do guided breathing. Now nowadays we are in so much stress. Sometimes we don't even get 5 minutes to meditate or to do deep breathing. Now this watch helps you, lets you do that. Plus you can do daily activity tracker. For all those people who are into cycling, walking, jogging and you want to keep a track how many kilometers you have traveled today, you have done cycling today, you can keep a track through this watch. Plus there is also call and text notification with vibration alert. So that means whenever you get a call or you get a message on your phone, you will get a vibration alert on your watch. So even if your phone is away, you will still come to know whether you have received a call or you have received a message. There is also menstruation cycle tracker, which means for the females, when your period date is due, you will get a notification on your watch. There is also sleep monitor, 5 ATM water resistant. 5 ATM means it can withstand pressure for depths up to 50 meters. Now that is again a good thing to have. You have multiple sports modes in this watch. Sedentary alert is also there and you can also control the music. As far as the compatibility is concerned, you get compatibility with Android 4.4 and above and iOS 8.0 and above. Now let me show you how does the watch look like and what are the contents of the box. Now this is the watch. It's grey in color. The strap is very soft in feel and it is quite light in weight. So the color combinations are grey and black and you get a good 1.3 inches full touch display and the sensors for the SpA2 and the heart rate are at the back. Now there is also a charging slot here and let me show you how does the charging pin look like. This is the charging cable and it is a magnetic charging pin. It has a good length also. So this thing goes here. It has a magnet. It gets quickly attached and then you can put this into the charger or in the laptop, however you want to charge this. You also get this user manual with this. That means you can easily read it to know what all are the features you can do with this. How can you connect your phone with this. If you want to know about the charging, how much time it takes, then it takes around 2.5 hours to charge this Boat watch and then you can easily use this watch for 8 to 10 days. And the battery capacity that it has is 210 mAh. So you get this user manual, you get the 1-year warranty card and you also get this Boat catalog in the box. So this was it in the unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed unboxing of this watch. Stay tuned in for more videos.